Hi all, foreigners dying in the Philippines, burial or cremation? Decide before it's too late. Retiring in paradise? Decide your funeral plan first. If you die in the Philippines, what happens to your body? Many foreigners spend years planning their retirement in paradise, the beaches, the food, the sunshine, but very few ever ask the most uncomfortable question. What happens if we die here? Burial, cremation, and who will decide if you never did? This is Nell Solomam, coming to you from the Philippines. Today, I want to talk about something most foreigners living here avoid discussing, something uncomfortable, but something every retiree must think about. Date, not in a sad way, not in a scary way, but in a responsible way. Because many foreigners move to the Philippines dreaming about paradise, but they never ask a simple question. What happens when I die here? Will I be buried, cremated, return to my home country, or will my loved ones be left confused and struggling with paperwork? Today, I want to talk about why foreigners retiring in paradise must legally decide burial or cremation before it becomes someone else's problem. Every year, thousands of foreigners move to the Philippines. Some come from America, Canada, Europe, Australia. They come here because life feels easier. The weather is warm, people are friendly, the cost of living is lower. Many say, this is where I want to live the rest of my life. But very few say, this is where I will die. Yet the truth is simple. If you retire somewhere, there is a strong chance that place becomes where your life ends. Hospitals in Manila, Cebu, Dumaguete, and other cities deal with foreigner deaths every year. Sometimes it is illness, sometimes heart attacks, sometimes accidents, sometimes old age. Many times the problem is not the date itself. The problem is what happens next. Because the family often asked, what did he want? Burial, cremation, return the body to America, scatter ashes, and many times nobody knows. Some foreigners want burial. Burial is traditional. It is what they knew growing up, but burial in the Philippines works differently. Many cemeteries are crowded above ground temporarily. In some cemeteries, graves are leased only for 5 to 10 years. After the time, remains may be moved. This surprises many foreigners because in the West people expect a grave to last forever. So if you choose burial, you must ask, where? For how long? Who maintains it? Cremation is becoming more common, especially among foreigners. Why? Because it is simpler. After cremation, ashes can be kept in an urn, returned to your home country, scattered at sea, or placed in a columbarium. Many retirees prefer cremation because it avoids complicated burial issues. But again, this decision should be written legally. Otherwise, family members may argue. Here is something many foreigners don't know. When someone dies abroad, paperwork becomes complicated, death certificates, embassy reports, funeral permits. If your wishes are not written clearly, your partner or family may face delays and expenses. That is why retirees should consider a legal will, funeral instructions, emergency contacts, even a prepaid funeral plan, not because you expect death soon, but because planning is responsible. For a Filipino partner, this situation can become overwhelming. Imagine losing someone you love, while also dealing with government offices, hospitals, and embassies. Many windows say the hardest part was not grief, it was confusion. They simply did not know what the foreigner wanted, and they were afraid of making the wrong decision. Some retirees tell me, Nels, just throw my ashes in the ocean. Others say, send my ashes back to my children. Others say, I want to stay here forever. But unless those wishes are written, they may never happen. If you retire in the Philippines, consider doing these simple things. Write your funeral reference, tell your partner, tell your children. Keep documents accessible. Speak with your embassy about procedures. It is not morbid, it is smart planning. Retiring in paradise is a beautiful dream, The Philippines can be a wonderful place to live, but responsible retirement means planning for every stage of life, even the final one. So ask yourself today, if you pass away here tomorrow, would your loved ones know what to do? Burial, cremation, or something else? Make the decision now, not later, because the greatest gift you can leave behind is clarity. If this video helped you think about something important, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is planning to retire in paradise. This is Nell Solo Mom, and I'll see you in the next episode.